guys.
Hello guys.
We have a package from online. Actually, we don't know what is inside, but we're going to show everyone what is inside this package.
Yes.
So, are you ready to see the surprise?
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, let's go.
Oh my God.
Papa Bear first time to buy online. So let's see if it's correct. If it's correct inside. What did you buy, Papa?
I don't know what is inside.
You don't know?
Yes.
Ooh.
What is that?
What
I'll
is
bring it out.
this?
Don't worry.
What is this?
What is this? Another box?
Another box.
Another box? Whoa! Let's remove this one.
Are you sure this is the original box?
Yeah.
Original thing inside, or is fake box?
Let's see.
Let's
Maybe there's
continue again.
wait. Maybe there's pizza inside.
Printer.
Yes.
No, maybe. Guess, Christine. What is
This
inside?
is what is inside.
Printer.
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 Angeline, what is inside?
Printer.
Me? No.
Me, I know it's a sofalaki. Inside. Maybe sofalaki inside.
See?
Mama, what do you think? What is inside?
I think it's a makeup kit.
Makeup. Okay. Let's.
Biscuit.
Okay.
I want just toys.
Toys inside. No, maybe it's it's a food. Chocolate.
Open it.
Maybe there's chocolate.
You ready?
Yes. Yay! I have makeup kit inside. It's my makeup kit.
You are continue or you... So, let's go on. Angeline, are you sure what you guess that is the one you want?
It's a printer.
Printer.
I'll choose
Christy, you also
No.
say printer?
No.
What? Toys. Okay, and then I choose sofalaki. If it's my sofalaki, nobody going to eat some. Because the Greek people can package a huge sofalaki.
Huge.
So, let's continue
Let's open it.
to see what is
Maybe
inside.
that is a prank.
Let's open it.
Christine. Angeline, that is a prank.
And then Mama also said maybe they package a dog inside there.
There's
So let's continue. Second.
There's a dog inside. Tan tan tan.
Woo! 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 Okay. Are you ready to see?
Yay!
Are you ready to see? Okay. Let's see what is inside.
I like the cat.
Handle with care.
Woo! Angeline, I think you are right. Or not. Okay, let's continue.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see what is inside. Number one. Oh, it's the printer. Woo! That is the CD. And this is the
Wow!
ink. Ooh.
Oh,
We can color it.
what
This
kind of
is
printer is that?
This is the ink.
Wow.
What we have? We have
Blue, purple.
4 different type of colors.
Black.
And then they give extra black.
Wow. It's
Okay, we have black, blue,
Yeah.
and then Angeline, what is this?
Pink.
Chrissy, what is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Mama, what is this?
black.
Ah.
I think it's
It
blue.
look, it,
I no.
It's
This
black?
is blue. This is
no, this black.
Silver.
It look like it look like gray.
gray.
Yeah.
Wow. So let's see. Now,
Let's see.
now we can print your assignments. Yay! Yeah. We have many assignments. Now we can print. Ooh.
Other one's Troy. That one's Troy.
Ooh.
Wow.
Let's see. No, not there. Wait.
Wow.
And this is for power plug.
Plug.
Okay, let's go.
Ooh, blue.
Wow.
Printer. It's a big printer.
Wow,
A lot
it's a
of
big printer.
Woo, 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 woo.
Where's tape? Get out.
Little bit later. Okay, remove the plastic. Okay.
Wow. Put in the box.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's see.
Wait a minute. Blue big now?
Guys,
Yeah.
we just do this to see what is inside. Now,
Let's get
this is the printer.
Put the paper
So,
out.
let's go on and
The
remove
Kenneman.
those things slowly, okay?
Baka naman may gustong mag-sponsor dyan.
Slowly to remove all the plastics. Look that one.
Because the kids have a lot of assignments and wala kaming printer. We don't have printer now. Papa Bear bought a printer.
Okay, it's okay now. Everything is finished. Let's go here.
What are you doing? Angeline, what are you doing? What are you doing, Angeline? Christine. Christine. What is that? You're enjoying it.
Papa, give me the tape. Give me the tape, Papa.
Hala. Ala, pedya. Tikano, te. Mustaki. Hala. Get ready for the school. Online school. Hala. Angeline, remove that one. Remove. Christine, remove that one, sweetheart. Remove. They really pack well, eh? That's nice. Bravo. They really.
Papa, give me more tape.
Okay.
Nice. So let's check.
Now,
Let's try.
that.
So guys, this is our first time to use this. The brand is Epson. It's a printer. I think this is the place where you put the paper.
Yep.
And
Computer.
this is the place where we put the ink.
Ink is not in it.
Black, yellow, pink, and blue.
Yeah. Or?
Yes. And you can see them over here when you fill them up.
Yeah.
And of course, this is the
Button.
power. Oh, with Wi-Fi! It's so cool! With Wi-Fi!
You want?
And this one, copier, I think. And this one, it's need ink. This one need paper.
Uh-huh.
If there's
There's
light.
no
And this
difference.
one, Xerox copy. Wow! Scanning, yeah. Scanner. Scanning. Grabe, si Mama Bear! Wow! So, let's try.
Yeah.
Okay, Papa, let's put the Oh, this is the inside.
Yeah.
Anyway. Let's put the ink.
Both of the ink.
Let's put the
Me,
ink.
I want black. No, I want blue. Silver! Is that water? No.
Let's see how we will put it.
Do we just put water?
There you go. Ah, it's a filler.
Here. It's silver. Silver.
Listen, sit down in your chair.
It's silver. Woo, woo.
Listen, sit down.
This is
Purple. No, black.
Black.
It's red.
Please open, Papa Bear.
Orange. Orange. And we can open. Ooh, I want to pour it. I want to pour it.
I want to pour it.
Yeah. Black, yellow, red, and blue.
So show me.
Let's see how we put the
You
E.
see,
The same thing.
this
Yeah.
go here and here.
Okay,
Yeah.
let
Can
me
I
try.
see?
So it
Let
go
me-
like this.
So where it goes. There.
Yes.
And then
And then
you push it.
you push.
And then we check over here.
It's working.
You see.
Yes, it's coming. More. More.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Ooh, I see.
Okay. Listen. Be careful. Okay.
It's going high.
It's for family. Mama put it, now it's my turn.
It's full.
Not yet.
It's going to finish the whole bottle.
Not yet. Okay.
It's okay.
Yep. Wow. It's magic.
more?
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Now I
And then we close.
Time to open
Yeah.
yellow.
No, don't open, please. Let Mama open.
I
Okay.
want to pour.
Yeah. If you want to put, you can put it inside.
Pour.
This
That's
is
yellow.
What color is next?
Yellow.
Papa, I
Yellow.
want to pour yellow. Okay.
Okay, make bato-bato pick.
Patu, pick. Patu, pick. I got you. Again.
Okay,
Okay.
out of 3. Who will have 3? That's the one who will. Okay.
Patu, pick. Again.
1.
Patu, pick. 2.
Don't worry. It's okay. You put.
Three.
Yeah, that's what you see you put. Huh?
Ate Angeline really win 3.
Here, like that. Pull it well. Chrissy, raise your head.
Let's see, bro.
Okay, finish.
It's okay, just leave
Good
it.
girl.
It's
And then check if
dripping.
it's
Then
coming.
it's
It's
coming.
finished, Angelina. It's finished. You are not doing anything. Just leave it like that.
It's going to be.
So, Chrissy, next is you, huh?
You're pink. I want blue.
Okay.
We need to fill them up. Oh. Ooh.
That's black. That's
This
blue.
is blue.
Blue.
That is blue.
Blue's the last one.
Blue is the last.
Yeah.
So,
And pink is the.
this is
This
pink.
for third.
So,
this
Chrissy,
for
you
Mama?
will put pink.
Mama, it's full. That's the yellow.
Mama, you check if it's full.
Not yet. A little bit more.
Let's finish.
Okay,
finish.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, 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 okay. Yes.
Watch.
Cover it,
It's
please.
a magic.
Pink. Okay, time to open.
Let's open this.
Pink. Open. Me. Pink. And Papa is using
Roll it.
blue.
Put it inside. Okay, good girl. Leave it. Leave it. It's okay.
There.
Black.
Then I check it.
The other one is Mama.
Yes.
So you.
No, me, I put the black.
Oh.
I only hold like that, but Papa put. So it's my turn. Yay!
They're silver. Blue. There's more. Many inside.
Yeah, so means it's later. Now it's full. You cannot put again. You wait. When it's finished, you put the other
Finish.
one.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, finish.
Finish.
Ooh.
Yay!
That's a little.
Good girl.
It's little inside. Time for
Yeah, all
Mama.
of them little
Yay!
inside.
It's my turn.
Now we mix all the colors.
Yes.
This is blue.
Yeah.
Blue.
Ah, your
It's
hair
my
blue.
turn.
Your hair is blue.
My head is blue.
Mama, you can see. Okay.
No! Go, go, go!
Yay.
It's not going. foolish. It's getting cool.
Okay, let's count. 10, 9, 8, 7,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exactly.
Okay.
Yay!
It's done.
Now it's done. Let's close.
Done. Thank you guys.
Thank you. And we will try now. Yay! So this is for the paper. I make mistake before. I thought it's on the other side. But here. The closest one. This is lock. Like that. But it's inside. Like that and like that. There you go. And then we put paper. And then the socket. I think it's too much, Papa.
It's okay. It's even small.
Oh, okay. That's
It's finished.
okay.
Good. Okay, now
Plug.
the socket. You need to connect the internet and everything. Okay, where is the CD? I'm going the computer.
Okay, so it's ready.
Yay!
The paper
It's a
goes.
trial.
Yeah, it's the paper. The paper. Inside. You say stop?
Why it's stuck? What happened?
Papa, the paper is stuck.